Hey guys, if you didn't know, a new lab just dropped, and this update is an expansion to the new fishing update. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, here we are in the lab now, so let's keep going. Okay, so oh they added a new portal. So which is new one? Okay. Token demo. Okay. Oh, demo. Oh, so you can put it in for tokens, I guess. Ooh, oh, these are dailies. Oh. You look at a little system, little leaderboard for these little tokens, and you can convert them. Interesting. So I'm guessing you have to cook sometimes. Oh, is this a new tech web? Whoa. No tech web. Tokens. So tokens can be used for teams. I think it's like once. Oh, they finally added these little icons now. Little staff, whatever stuff. Set tokens. So you can have like a bunch of tokens. Alright. Let's go see what room 1 is. Okay, so room 1's kinda empty. Well, I'm gonna go check the tech web and fishing harbor. Okay, so we're in fishing harbor now. It seems like they added some few stuff, some different decorations. Let's go see them. Oh, okay. So, campfire, other stuff. Oh, a lighthouse. Oh, and some other stuff. Good. Also, tech web. Oh, okay. So there's an alarm light here or something. What's it about? Oh, it's a crab cage. Whoa, naval mines. Harpoon gun? Whoa, these stuff are crazy. Shark? There's a shark now? I'm gonna buy these. Okay, so I couldn't afford the harpoon gun, so I just got the harpoon. Oh my god, that's a shark! So, huh. What does it do? Is there a sharky? Sharky friend? Sharky. Hey, buddy. Oh. Okay, so it's like a monster. It's basically like a monster. It'll kill you if you get too close to it. Let's check the fishing catalog because I think they added some stuff to it. Maybe. All the same. Crabs! Okay. Yeah, I forgot to add the crabs. Sea urchin, king crab. So king crab is at the end. Okay. Whoa! They added another one? What is this? Every crab. Ultimate crab crown. Whoa. So when you get the legendary fish crown, and then you can get the crab crown. Whoa. Pretty cool. Let's see if I can kill the shark. Whoa. Wait, it's another SpongeBob reference. Look. it's Patrick's house, and it's Squidward's house, and SpongeBob's. Okay, so we gotta run because he's coming. Alright, here we are. Whoa. Yo, it's a little ducky. It's a little ducky. So, tree. Okay, so what's inside the house? Light post. Shoot. Whoa. Alarm? This is the alarm. Okay. So, how do I activate it? Is it on a different side? Is it entrance? Where's the entrance? Alright. So, it must be somewhere around here somewhere. Okay, so I couldn't find it. Is there anything else? Actually, pretty cool. Alright. Doesn't seem to be anything else. Let's check this place. Oh man. But yeah, that's what they added. They added naval mines. They added harpoon guns. A shark spawn egg. Crab cage, and nothing else. Pretty much all of that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Get ready for the release. And remember guys, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.